Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's learn 40 very important GK questions. This is useful for all competitive exams. Let's start. If you not yet subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to get all notifications. And here is our first question. The existence of isotopes was discovered by answer Frederick Soddy. Frederick Soddy is the scientist who discovered existence of isotopes. Second one, who established first atomic power station in India? Here it is. The first atomic power station name is given. So the question should be first atomic power station in India. Answer Tarapur Atomic Power Station. Tarapur Atomic Power Station is the first atomic power station in India. Next question. Density of milk is measured by? Answer lactometer. Lactometer is the instrument used to measure the density of milk. Next question. Who discovered laws of floating? Answer Archimedes. Archimedes discovered laws of floating. Next question. Which instrument is used to record the intensity of earthquake? Answer seismograph. Seismograph is the instrument used to record the intensity of earthquake. Next question. Who invented system for writing by blind people? Answer Louis Braille. The script for blind people is known as Braille script. Next question. What is commonly called plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate. The difference is normal calcium sulfate is CaSO4 and in case of plaster of Paris it is CaSO4 2H2O and plaster of Paris is CaSO4 half H2O. CaSO4 half H2O is plaster of Paris. CaSO4 2H2O is calcium sulfate. So plaster of Paris is a form of calcium sulfate. Next question. What is symbol of strontium? Here the question should be what is symbol of strontium? Answer is Sr. Symbol of strontium is Sr. Next one. What is symbol of gold? Symbol of gold is Au. Au indicates aurum. Aurum is the Latin name of gold. Next is what is symbol MD stands for? MD stands for Mendelevium. So MD is the symbol of Mendelevium. Next one. What is fear of going to bed? Fear of going to bed is known as clinophobia. Clinophobia is nothing but fear of going to bed. Next question. What is fear of crowd? Fear of crowd is known as ochlophobia. So ochlophobia is fear of crowd. Next one. What is fear of books? Fear of books is called bibliophobia. Bibliophobia is fear of books. Next question. What was invented by Thomas Alva Edison? Here Edison has different inventions, but all those inventions, the important invention is electric lamp. So should be what was the most important invention by Thomas Alva Edison? It is electric lamp. What is study of heavenly bodies called? Answer: astronomy. Astronomy is study of heavenly bodies. Next question. What is study of sound called? Answer: so study of sound is acoustics. So acoustic is nothing but study of sound. Next question. What is botanical name of onion? Botanical name of onion is Allium cepa. Allium cepa is the botanical name of onion. Next question. What is study of bones called? Answer: osteology. Always remember, osteo is related to bone. Osteo is related to bone and study of bones is called osteology. What is study of birds? Ornithology. So ornithology is nothing but study of birds. Ornitho is related to birds. Next question. What is study of insects? Study of insects called entomology. Entomology is the study of insects. Next question. What is the largest tree in the world called as? Largest tree in the world is called as Sequoia gigantea. Here it is Q, not G. Here it is Q. Sequoia gigantea. And the largest tree is generally known as German Sherman tree. General Sherman tree. And it is a sequoia tree. It is known as Sequoia gigantea. Next question. Where is penicillin obtained from? Penicillin obtained from, answer, mold. It is a type of fungus. Penicillin is obtained from a fungus named Penicillium notatum. Next question. What are the plants that flower only once in their lifetime are called? Answer: monocarpic. Monocarpic are the plants that flower only once in their lifetime and after that they die. What is oology? Answer: study of birds' eggs. Study of birds' eggs is known as oology. Next question. An altimeter is used for measuring, answer, altitude. Altitude is measured by using an instrument named altimeter. Next question. What is the principal metal used in manufacturing steel? Answer: iron. Iron is the principal metal used in manufacturing steel. For the manufacture of steel, iron and carbon we are using. Next question. Plant that eat insects are called, answer, insectivorous plants. Examples for insectivorous plants are Nepenthes, Drosera, Venus flytrap, etc. Drosera, Nepenthes, Venus flytrap, all these are insectivorous plants. Next question. Unit of loudness is, here it is given as phone, it is sone, S-O-N-E. So unit of loudness is Sone, S-O-N-E. Next question. The botanical name of the cotton plant is Gossypium hirsutum. Gossypium hirsutum is the botanical name of cotton plant. Next question. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Atomic number of oxygen is 8. Next question. Sodium was discovered by. Answer, Sir Humphrey Davy. Sir Humphrey Davy discovered sodium. The first person to see a cell under microscope was. Answer, Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke is the first person to see a cell under microscope. Next question. The scientist who is known as father of modern biology. So, father of modern biology is Aristotle. Father of modern biology, Aristotle. Next question. Galileo's first scientific discovery was. Answer, pendulum. So, pendulum is the first scientific discovery of Galileo. Next question. Crucigraph was invented by. Answer, J.C. Bose. Jagadish Chandra Bose is an Indian scientist. He discovered crucigraph. Crucigraph is used to measure the growth of plant. Next question. The nuclear reactor was invented by. Answer, Enrico Fermi. Here it is written as Fermi. It is Fermi. F-E-R-M-I. Enrico Fermi. So, nuclear reactor was invented by Enrico Fermi. Next question. Dynamo was discovered by. Answer, Michael Faraday. Michael Faraday discovered dynamo. Which is caused by Plasmodium vivax? Answer, malignant malaria. So, Plasmodium vivax is the causative organism of malaria. Next question. Who demonstrated the existence of radio waves? Answer, Heinrich Hertz. Heinrich Hertz demonstrated the existence of radio waves. Next question. Which acid used in a car battery? Answer, sulfuric acid. So, sulfuric acid is used in a car battery. So, that's all about today's topic. And two more things I have to tell. We have discussed the unit of loudness is sone and unit of amplitude of sound is decibel and unit of frequency of sound is hertz. Unit of frequency of sound is hertz and amplitude of sound is decibel. That's all about today's topic. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.